Hello, my name's Tom and this is Proper Honest Tech. After years of speculation, Apple have finally unveiled their brand new tracking device, the Apple AirTag, a brand new product line for the company and potentially a huge new part of the Apple ecosystem. They went on sale here in the UK last Friday, so I ordered one and it arrived this morning. Now, I haven't yet had the time to go super in-depth with the AirTag, so in this video I'm going to unbox it, get it connected to my Apple ID and give you my initial thoughts. Then, in a couple of weeks, I plan on making a follow-up video to this where I can talk some more about my experience of actually using the AirTag and what I think the future could hold for this product. Okay, let's get this unboxed. In typical Apple style, the AirTag comes in a neat little box. I've gone for one for now at £29, but I could see myself picking up a 4-pack which retail here in the UK for £99. So, once we've opened the box up, we pull the main part of the package out like this and then unfold the packaging to show the AirTag here in the middle and some product literature on either side of it, printed onto the packaging. That's good, I guess. The whole point of this is to make a nice, easy-to-use product, and it wouldn't be very Apple if this came with a pamphlet of difficult-to-follow instructions. And here it is, the AirTag. Okay, first thoughts. This thing is very small, shown here next to a 10-pence piece to give you some context. I'll peel the plastic off, and as soon as I fully remove this, the AirTag will be powered on for the first time, and it lets you know this is the case by emitting a little chirp. The AirTag is made of stainless steel on one side and then white plastic on the other. Getting to the battery is easy enough. You just push down here on the stainless steel side and twist, and there it is, easily replaceable with the batteries available at a low cost from most stores, which is great. Apple claim that you should get more than a year of use off of the included battery, so hopefully not a huge cost long term to own a few of these. This is also kind of a double unboxing, as I've also ordered this nice little black secure holder by Belkin, because yes, of course, Apple still managed to find a way to screw me out of a bit more money by literally giving you an AirTag with nothing to put it into. So unless you're planning on storing it in the pocket of a bag or a wallet, you're going to need some kind of clip or ring accessory, which of course Apple sell a bunch of, ranging from wow, that's expensive to holy shit, how much once you get to the Hermes range. For the sake of cost, and honestly because I liked this style the best, I've gone with the Belkin product, a snip at £11.95, and I actually really like it. So we'll open it up, put the AirTag in, and there we go, that's the finished product. And for good measure, let's attach my keys to it, as that's what I'm going to be using this first AirTag for. So, with that done, the next step is to get the AirTag set up and connected to my Apple ID. To do that, you just hold the AirTag near your device, in this case my iPhone, and choose Connect. You need to give the AirTag a name, and you can choose from a bunch of presets or go with something custom down at the bottom of the list. Keys is in there thankfully, so I'll be picking that. I was trying to work out why Apple included presets, but then I realized that as well as streamlining your setup process, it also subliminally lets you know a bunch of other possible uses for the AirTags, which will probably encourage you to buy a few more. Touché, Apple. And there we go, we're all set up. And just like that, it's added to the Find My network. Right, so with that done, what can we do with it? I think the best way to think about AirTags is that they help you to track your devices at two levels of tracking, macro and micro. At the macro level, you can open up your Find My app and get a visual representation of where your device last pinged on the Find My network, which is essentially Apple's way of using other people's iOS devices to anonymously and constantly report locations. You can also put the AirTag into lost mode, which means if anyone finds the AirTag that your keys are now attached to, they can hold the AirTag near their phone and get full details of who to contact to get them back to their rightful owner. This even works on Android devices, which is great. I'm really glad that Apple didn't lock that to the Apple ecosystem. Then, at the micro level, you can use the Find My network to locate an AirTag close to you, in your home for example. So let's say that you know that your keys are in your house, but you've no idea where. You've got a couple of options. One is to make the AirTag play a sound, and you simply follow the sound around your house until you find them. You can use it to locate your AirTag to a surprising level of accuracy, provided you're close to it. So, £30 for an Apple product that, by its own design, you're not going to be actively using the majority of the time. How do I feel about it? At this stage, I'm impressed with it, but I do think I need a bit of time to really make sure that I'm going to get the value from this. I'm not someone who loses things often, certainly not vital things like keys, so for me this is more of a security product in case I have something stolen from me, and that's kind of my mindset with any future ones that I buy. I really like the idea of being able to hide these in your car, for example, and we're thinking about getting a dog soon, and I love the idea of being able to hide one in its collar, although interestingly for both of these examples, Apple is stating categorically that you shouldn't think of the AirTag in this way. I guess time will tell whether you can actually use AirTags for that kind of purpose or not, and hopefully I'll be able to report back on that in the future. So there you go, the new Apple AirTag, unboxed and set up. What do you think of the AirTags so far? Are you planning on getting one? Have you got one? Drop me a comment and let me know. And as ever, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, do please consider leaving me a like and subscribing to my channel for lots more Apple content in the future. See you on the next video.